Tingi aingo yu blay kani kapor ngayo banwan disciple sakai hinjang ni ba dan bok ya dan ni ba iba scam yawan na slong tingnya ya da kejat tu slap ya aingo yu blay ka dan slap ndrei ka jing ai jong blay ka pen ni mo ki pet tu slap pet ni dan ki jaka bom yo slap ndrei shani pat ni yo slap ya aingo yu blay thì đó blay shibun thì menta idan hayeng jong ba dan bab ya share the gospel iwan naslong dah kali ngiat kejat no slap ban mentang idan ban share the gospel na duk mena ni ini di bab pen scam bab dan bab iwan ban share the gospel di ublay labu yangi am tang bangin shuh leit ki yeng mani am tang bangin shuh yalap ki surak ma fi rai ni da shim khie ki men sim ni da wan ban ki tu ki balayo ma ki jing pelat ki balayo ma ya ki jingle kamba jong blay ki jing duai ni leit ki yeng jong ki but ni pynlong synran U Jisu wang kilet sa pyrthei tu da pynlong synran am tang bangin shuh pynlong niam nim simwan hang ni yang ban kring niam in rei ban ye thu ya jing pelat do ya bo gospel U Jisu la pelat do yang ni kan pop ini menta ini ba pen scam ni fi no iba dan bok ilayo kajing pelat hadin bagi sistem nak po ni laya duai pat hadin bagi la duai ni tu fi duai nak baka phone abai phone sanga ila iya kita ki YouTube videos ki bangi penduai surak tikat bangi penduai ila sim phone number janga ila pan Facebook bat ngala ai number bangla phone menmit but ani tu fi anda labu ti po jong ila pri bat kumju ru habai la lailam is ka jing kelak bomot bain plai gitu ki pop but bain pan ya kasnam jong Jesus Christ ban pelat ban sat kho yi la duai biang la pri ba gitu ki men sim baman ki mi bat la phone yang bat nilai wan aduk slong bat hot bat la ngi hab yan nyak kejat bo slap dari kam penduk bo ringi dari kemen ban leit pynlong synran i ban yalap ya gospel yang blay shibun Jesus Christ ka buram ya shuh dia ini
Betul lawan itu kulit tergini usah kiri diskus ni kan berdiam diskus. Pada dia nak yang diskus ini juga dia masih kulit ni pergi. Dia kemudian dia sosok tu kan bomba kajing orang Kristen kan kajing kelak kabumut kan kajing plan diskus kan dia bisa. Jadi bawa itu kan tak orang itu kerja.
What we are seeing here is that when we understand discipleship, we don't only preach in the church, we don't only preach in the street, but we also go to people's house to make disciples. Here we are in the house of Dan Boklang. He called me from his phone when he saw one video which we were preaching at Sning, and then were praying for the sick people and they got healed. And so he took he texted me on Facebook through Messenger, and then after that he took my number and he called me up, and when he called me up I prayed for him. I asked him, I prayed over the phone, I asked him to put the hands on the stomach where he was suffering, and then when I prayed he vomited, and when he vomited and then he was set free, and then there was something demonic, so and then after that I preached to him the gospel, then he repented over the phone. He confessed everything since which he had done with all his heart, and then I could understand that there was something holding him, something demonic. So I prayed again and cast out demons over phone, and then he vomited, and then he asked us to come to his place here in this village called Nongjrong. No, Maujrong, sorry. This village is called Maujrong. We came all over from Shillong, say around 25 to 30 kilometers. And then we had to park the car there and then walk. It was raining heavily. We walked, but then we're so happy because Jesus Christ commanded us to make disciples, not just to make followers. We are so concerned for the soul, like Jesus Christ had compassion for the soul. So I would like to show you. This is Mr. Dunbok. Here you can see Mr. Dunbok Lang, and then my friend Penskem. He's explaining to him the scripture. You can see him here. So what we are doing is discipleship. It's not just making followers. We don't want to do that, but we are explaining to him the gospel. We shall take an interview of Dunbok Lang, of how he was delivered from his from sickness, and then also from some demonic oppression. We like in the Gospel of Mark chapter 16 it says, "Those who believe these signs shall follow. They shall cast out demons and speak with new tongues. They shall lay their hands on the sick and they shall get healed. And then anything which they eat will not harm them. They will take up scorpions and snake, nothing will harm them." So what we are doing discipleship. Jesus said in Matthew, in the Gospel of Matthew, he said, "Go and make disciples." Go and make disciples. So we are here in Shillong doing discipleship. So thank you for this. I will kindly hear the interview of Mr. Dunbok Lang. So bahwa fin sngap shibet min sa le interview Dunbok Lang kumba kumno bo blai u pan khie but u plai lo i ku blai.
Oh, lah bandai man. Tong ini tuai mudah bok. Ini tuai no. Siapa tahu bok no. Ini tuai bok kia ini di kemat jompi no. Dia pilih gospel Matthaios no sekolah kaba peran tu entah pinjau baik U Jisu pyrthei. Untuk tuai di papang bersama.